I see this all the time. Business owners convinced their funnel is broken. They're saying we need more leads or our ads aren't converting. And so they rebuild landing pages, tweak email sequences, blame the algorithm. But here's what I've learned. The funnel isn't usually the problem. The offer is. A funnel is basically just a path from awareness to action. And if people are entering that path and leaving without buying, it's not the page layout or the number of steps. It's that what you're asking them to buy isn't compelling enough right now. Most businesses make this one massive mistake. They sell what they do instead of what the customer wants solved. A weak offer is too broad, too abstract, too much commitment up front. A strong offer answers three things instantly. What problem does this solve? How quickly will I see a result? And what happens if it doesn't work? Before you touch your funnel, ask yourself, is this the easiest possible yes for my audience? Does it solve one clear problem? Is the outcome concrete? If not, simplify. You don't need more funnel steps. You need a clearer reason to buy. Funnels amplify what's already there. So if your offer is unclear, your funnel just amplifies confusion. Fix the offer first.